Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Dolly Roman, and yes, if you didn't know, yes, I am partaking in the Halloween festivities this year. So usually I just put a little clip of this in the video, but today I wanted to show you guys a slow-mo of what we will be using for this video. I even show you guys my Halloween accessories. All my accessories are very cheap. I picked that stuff up from Party City in the dollar store. Yes, honey, the dollar store. Okay, don't sleep on the dollar store, sis. You will find some great finds. So we're going to be using stuff today from Kat Von D, Sexy Lips Cosmetics, and we'll also be using some things from Rebel Glitter Goddess. I have some ABH things in there, some juvia'splace, and my Huda Beauty palette we will be using today. So let's get started. So if you guys see a little head peeking over there, that's Molly. That's my friend Molly. She came over to watch me slay this look. So basically, first I'm placing down an orange. I got the inspiration for my eyes from Mrs. Venti Vegas on Instagram. Drea, if you guys follow her, she's a fucking makeup god. Like, I love everything she does. She's so freaking bomb. So I knew that my eyes, basically, I wanted them to be burgundy and red. That was the only two colors I wanted to stand out. When I think about a vampire, I think of red. So yeah, I placed down that orange shade from the juvia'splace palette first, and then I believe I go on with an orange brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and then next I begin placing down burgundies. Now I use several different burgundies or mix of burgundies. So I mixed the pink from the juvia'splace palette with another burgundy shade from the Huda Beauty palette. And then I also end up using the shade, I forget what the name of the ColourPop shade is, but it's a burgundy shade that I have. I don't want to get the name confused, so I definitely will place it down below. And then you guys will see me go further into my crease with a deeper burgundy from the ABH Subculture Palette. So for this tutorial, instead of me cutting my crease on camera, I went off camera and cut it. And today, I really snatched my crease, honey. I snatched my crease. Don't ask me what I did different today that I don't do on a daily basis because I couldn't tell you. So I'm dipping into the color Hot Stepmama by Sexy Lips Cosmetics. This is Shimmer Red. I own no Shimmer Reds. And I'm also dipping into the Kat Von D color called Rad Power, excuse me. I picked this up from Marshalls. Marshalls had the Metal Crush eyeshadow colors. I think they were $7.99 a piece or $6.99 a piece. I picked up 3 of the shades. You guys will see me use them in a tutorial throughout this series. And honey, I love that mixture of both of those colors together. It gave me the perfect lid shade. Besides me placing it on my lid, I just wanted to talk real quick about Rebel Glitter Goddess. Hunty, underneath my brow bone, which you guys will see at the end of the video, I used the gold loose highlight. And girl, when I tell you that shit makes you glow, it makes you shut popping, it really do. And I freaking in love. You guys can see how underneath my brow bone is freaking glowing. I need to buy a big jar of this stuff. So one thing about today's tutorials I enjoy is that I am trying out new products. So this is the Hard Candy Glitter Glue. Somebody on my Facebook timeline was talking about this and I had to pick it up. As you guys know, some Walmarts sell NYX products now and some don't. So I've been waiting for my Walmart to get the NYX glitter primer or the NYX stand. They haven't gotten it yet. So I go over that color Red Power with the 2 glitters that I mixed from Sexy Lips Cosmetics. One is called Arcane Blast and I forget the other one name. But like I said, everything that I don't remember off the top of my head, I'm going to put down below. So I am covering my crease that I cut out in that red shade. What kind of Glampire? Like, I have to add glitter to be a Glampire. Like, this is not your typical vampire look. And as always, the key to every tutorial is blend, blend, blend. I did not want to use any of those colors I put down. So I'm just going back in with that last burgundy shade. And I believe I go back in with the orange as well. Just to make sure you guys see those colors stand out. Because you know, once you put glitter on, glitter can just take over a look completely. And as per usual, I go off camera and just finish up my face. Nothing special, as you guys seen in the first clip. I showed you guys what I end up putting on my face anyway. But I'll put it down below. So I'm just lining my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I was trying to figure out what colors I wanted to do in my waterline. So I decided to go back in with that red shimmer shade from Sexy Lips Cosmetics. And I put that on top of that red. And then I end up smoking out the bottom lash line, or underneath my lash line rather, with a dark purple shade. So now I'm showing y'all that gold highlight loose pigment from Rebel Glitter Goddess. I put that in my inner corners, and honey, you guys will see me highlight my face with this. When I tell y'all I am in love with this stuff, I am freaking in love with it. And this was my first time using it. It came in my PR package for this month, and oh my god, I'm on the damn floor. Like, this highlighter is everything, and y'all know I'm obsessed with a good highlighter, honey. So once again, I want to shout out my friend Molly for coming over, because Molly always puts on my eyelashes. If Molly doesn't do them, I usually get individual lashes by my friend Tazy, which I haven't had since my birthday. I need to get a new set. But anyway, so I'm just doing like a simple lash cocktail today. I'm just only using my L'Oreal Telescopic, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Great Lash, and then on my bottom lashes I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic. Because you guys don't see her actually put the lashes on for me in this video, I found a new pair of lashes that I am in love with. I picked up the Salon Perfect fully stacked lashes in the number 630. These lashes are the bomb. So one of their most used style is the 614 lash, and they have demi wispy, so they're stacked fully on top of each other. You guys are gonna see how fierce these lashes are, and how they bring the look together in the end. So because I've learned that Fix Plus is an absolutely necessary need in my makeup routine, I have to pick up a new one. As you guys see, I'm about to run out. So I'm about to place that gold highlight pigment all over, and then I'm going to blend out. And I'm going to place it, and I want you guys to see how truly bomb this pigment is. I'm not even going to talk. I just want you guys to see. When I picked up this Metal Crush eyeshadows from Marshalls, they also had a bunch of the Studded Kiss lipsticks. You cannot beat this price at all. Definitely check out your local Marshalls. I know my local Marshalls always having goodies. But this is the color. Kat Von D has two studded lipsticks in black. I forget the other name, but this one is Neon. This is named after a bomb famous like beauty blogger, like fashion guru. And so it's a black with like a glitter shimmer. So thank God Molly was here, because she told me, why don't I just add extra glitter over the lipstick to bring out more of the shimmer? And that idea was perfect. It came out bomb, and I freaking loved it. So last but not least, I truly take my vampire form. Of course, I had to throw on a vampire like outfit. So I'm just going to talk about my outfit real quick as I'm putting on the fake blood. And if you guys want to know, the fake blood is from Party City. It's fake blood gel actually. And it was only $1.99. Like I said, if you're not going to be like doing SFX makeup on a daily basis, there's no need to spend that much money on Halloween stuff. So the little wedges are also from Walmart. They're like the Equate or the Great Value little cosmetic wedges. The blood dripping necklace is also from Walmart. That was $3. Anywho, the bodies, the fishnet bodysuit you guys see me wear before is from Fashion Nova. In the black leather bralette or like bustier top. I forget where the hell that is from. I've had it for so long. So yeah, I put blood all over my fingers. Like I was going all out today. Like if I'm gonna be a vampire, sis, I'm gonna really be a vampire. So yeah, I put the fake blood all over my freaking fingers and everything. I really wanted to scare my mom with this look because she hates all type of bloody and fake stuff like this, but it didn't work out. And she said to me she kind of glad she didn't see me with that stuff on. I also have a pair of fangs from Party City. I wasn't really feeling the fangs, so I took them